What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new video. So lately I've been having some issue with the parking sensors. They basically refuse to work. I had an error that appeared there on the dash. It's probably gonna popping up now. And the light started to blink for a while and now it doesn't even blink anymore. I've been trying to clean all sensors but I had no result. When I find out something, so I said to myself, let's go check the ECU for the parking sensor, and I found out that it's flooded, completely full of water. I don't know how this happened, but it basically fried the parking sensor ECU, which is this one. We're gonna try to pop it out now. As you can see, it's full of water. I don't know how this happened. So now we got to replace this one. Literally dripping water. So I also realized that this thing, it's full of water there. So this is basically floating on water. I don't know if you can see. So I found a way to remove this. Just by pulling, it's full of water, and I realized that down here it's completely flooded. It's full of water, and for the hell of me, I don't understand where it comes from. The only way is up. Now over here it's all dry, so now I need to find a way to remove this water from here. There is no way out, so I need to probably suck it out and see if we can resolve this. Because even if I do replace the sensors, this is gonna happen again unless I find a solution for that. So for the time being, let's find a way to remove the water. It's basically about this of water, 2 fingers, and this was just floating on water, full in and out. I don't know how this could happen. Anyway, let's see what we can do. To keep this in the water.
I make me tell them listen, move, move. We a dance to the rhythm and the groove. Move, move. Watch them massive and crew, them a move. So we drop it, so we do it.
Do some
This a
little
rhythm that
research.
lock down the street. So we chop it, so we do it. This a when I come from
No, I used to dry that water
so we do it. Down down we a lock down the street. So we chop it,
for the occasion.
we lock down the street. All I'm full of go play back again. And everybody say yeah, 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 yeah. All I'm full of go play back again.
Paper. We go see what we can do.
All I'm full of go play back again. See them tackle on the big tune them. All I'm full of go play back again. And everybody say yeah, 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 yeah. All I'm full of go play back again. See them tackle on the big tune them. All I'm full of go play back again. And everybody say yeah, 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 yeah. All I'm full of go play back again. See them tackle on the big tune them. Street, so we chop it, so we do it. This is when you come feel lock down the street, alright. So we chop it, so we do it. Land down and we a lock down the street, so we chop it, so we do it. This is when you come feel lock down the street. All I'm full of go play back again.
So I've been doing my research and then they offer to fix the unit for about £95. So I wasn't really okay with that, and then I've been looking on eBay for a used unit, and then I found one for £75. There you go. I got the unit right here. Now let's open the box and let's see if it works. So the box is here. Let's now open it up and let's gonna check if it works.
And everybody say yeah, 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 yeah. All I'm full of go play back again. See them tackle on the big tune them. All I'm full of go play back again. And everybody say yeah, 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 yeah. All I'm full of go play back again. See them tackle on the big tune them. All I'm full of go play back again. And everybody say yeah, 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 yeah.
Must say very well packed. So the unit is here. It's the same one. We actually got the same numbers on it. So let's see if it works. So usually when I get in reverse, let's let the Android load. So this now should be ready. See, no lights there going on. So usually when I get in reverse, this should turn on already automatically. Yes, and it works. Let's try now for the beeping. Let's get close to the other car. I heard a little beep. The radar still working, but no beeping. Now I'm not sure if it's the head unit or actually the sensor not working properly. tried a couple of times now. There is not too much I can do about. And the only thing that comes to mind is to replace the head unit. So more work to do. The sensors are actually working, you've seen on the radar, but they are not beeping. So the only thing that comes to mind is to replace the head unit. So let's do that. So I didn't replace the head unit yet, but well, luckily I'm using parking sensors and the beeping is working. So I guess I have one sensor not working on front, but definitely the beeping is working. So the issue of the sensor, luckily, I guess, is resolved.
Several days later.
So it's been a few days since we checked the boat, since we dried all the water. It's been raining, it's been snowing. Let's see if we have water there again. It's there is ice actually. Yeah. So I guess some water still got inside, and because of the temperature there is ice now. So for the time being I'm keeping this parking sensor module out, because it's silly to get it inside again. But what I'm gonna do, I mount all this part, all of this, all the inside. I'm gonna mount this. I want to see if there is something behind here. We have new upgrades of always, and the battery side is dry, bit dirty I may say, but there is dry, so I'm sure there is no water going through the batteries. So at this point the video is getting a bit too long. I guess this is gonna be a fix for next video. For the time being, thank you very much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and peace.
All I'm full of, we go play back again. And every